Let's see how busy we can be. Colby just came to visit while his mama's at the doctor. Here's Mr. Brookston. Where's Colby? There he is. Nice. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Uh-oh. Did you fall down? Thank you. No, that's my phone. That's my phone. You want your phone? Here's your phone. There it is. You call Mama? Oh, what are we gonna do now? We gonna fight? Are we gonna fight? Oh, listen at you. Come on. See, he's giving you a book. He's giving you a book. Oh, you stole his phone. He took your phone, Colby. Uh-oh, he took your phone. You want me to read you a book? Okay. Okay, we'll turn this off so we can read a book. Okay? Yeah, we're going to come over and steal a book. Whatever you like, I like too. Did you find another book? That's a fishy book. With Jonah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Let's just get them all down on the floor. All right. All right. We got the word book or the color book? Book. 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 Well, it would help if you pick up the box. You're stepping on the box. Can you pick up the box instead of stepping on it? Just being busy. Luckily they're not fighting at this juncture. Okay, we're going to read a book. Say bye-bye, camera.